Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for customer service management. First up, let's start by setting up your account on teamwork.com. It's as simple as entering your company details and creating a personalized domain. This is your first step to digital organization, allowing your customer service team to stay structured and efficient. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating projects. Click on the Add Project button and fill up the necessary details. This helps us because it enables you to segregate different aspects of your customer service, making it easier to manage. Next up is setting up your customer service team in teamwork.com. Go to People and click on Add People. Enter their email addresses and assign them to the project you've just created. The reason we do this is to allow your team members to have access to the project, fostering collaboration and increasing productivity. Now let's ensure your customer service team can manage tickets effectively. Navigate to the board view in your project and create columns for each stage of your customer service process, like New, In Progress, and Resolved. You can then drag and drop tickets to update their status. This is critical because it provides a visual workflow of your customer service tickets, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, to communicate with your team, use the Messages feature. Post updates, ask questions, or share information about a ticket all in one place. This helps us because it ensures transparency and keeps everyone on the same page about the status of customer queries. In conclusion, using teamwork.com for customer service management can streamline your processes, increase collaboration, and improve efficiency. Remember, the key is to set up your account, create projects, assign your team, manage tickets effectively, and communicate transparently. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next one.